Hi friends, this is Ajat and you are watching Yur-Tech YouTube channel. Friends, today we are going to learn home menu of Microsoft Word. In this video, we will learn every option in detail and step by step. Maybe video will be little longer, so please avoid that and watch till end because this video is going to be very useful for you. If you are beginner, so this is also for you, and if you are advanced learner or if you have done any course Microsoft Office in any coaching center and you want to recall or revise your classes, so please this is also for you. So before we go to computer screen, I request you like and subscribe, and let me know in last if you how was your experience watching my videos. Please comment, like and subscribe. Okay guys, let's go to computer screen. So there are three ways to open the Microsoft Word. First way is press in your keyboard Window plus R for run box and type there WinWord, 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 then enter. This is one way. Another way is you will have one search box there near window star button, near star button. So click there, write there Microsoft Word, software, then click enter. And third way is click on star button and scroll down. You will have Microsoft Office, one option, click here, and after you will get Microsoft Word and click on that. Your file will be your program will be open. This and if you have Windows 7, there is little difference in last option, last way is like when you click on star button, after clicking you will go to all programs, then Microsoft Office, after Microsoft Word. And I am using 2020 Microsoft Office 2010, and if you are using 2016 or 2013, there will be, when you enter WinWord or when you want to open use Microsoft Word, so first he will ask you, it will ask you what kind of page you want. You want blank page or you want a page with some designing. So just click their blank page and start your working. After you will get like this pages. So friends, here are few options in clipboards. First is clipboard. So first option is cut, then paste. After format painter, then cut, copy, format painter, then paste. So now here is no any text. So first we will take any by default some text what MS Word gives us by default. So for that shortcut is equal rand open bracket, and if I want 6 paragraph, I will insert 6, then comma, and each paragraph I want 3 sentences, then bracket close, enter. This I got for practice. This you can write down, and when you start practice, so you can take by default some text for practice. So first we got some text. So now there is still not highlighted. So for to appear these options cut and copy, we need to select. For example, if I see, when I selected these both options are highlighted. So before we use this, let's talk about many ways to highlight text. One way is just put your cursor, and if you want to drag if you want to highlight your text left side of cursor, then drag your mouse left side, and if you want right side, then drag your mouse right side. One way is. Another way is, if you want to, for example, this is my heading, and I want this in one click. I want to select this in one click. So for that, take your cursor or mouse point the left side of your page, then when the mouse corner is right side like this, not like this. Usually our cursor is left side, italic left side, but when you put here the mouse cursor will be italic right side, then click, your full line will be selected. After if I press cut, the difference between cut and copy is cut, we used to move text from one place to another place, and copy we use to make duplicate of my original text. Let's see in practice how it works. So first I highlighted this, then I pressed on cut. See, now I lost that from here. Now wherever I want that paste, so first I need to put cursor there. For example, I put my cursor here, then I will click on paste. I got this here. Okay, this is use of cut. And if I want this paste, means I want this text here also, in first also as it was before. So I will select first, after select copy, then put cursor here in first and paste. Here text, my text went down because I selected with enter also, that's why it went down. Okay, and selecting by keyboard is just to put your cursor there, and if you want to select right side of your cursor, then shift right arrow, or if you want to select left side of your cursor, then shift with left arrow, and if you want to select down, then shift down arrow or up arrow, and another is if you want to select full pages, all pages, then control plus A, select all. Another options are here, another option is here, format painting. This option we use to copy format, not copy text. So before we apply, before we use this, first we need to apply this font or paragraphs, these options. So let's finish these options, after we will apply this. Okay, now I will put my cursor here, then press enter to make this heading, then I will center this. After I will select, then bold. Bold we use to highlight. For example, if something is important in paragraph, so I will highlight that text, then click on bold, that will be bold. Now then another is italic. Italic is like a little bend to right side. So when we click this, actually for these all options, to use these all options, first we need to select the text. Without select we can't apply this. Then I see italic, these all letters bent right side. Another is underline. These options we use when we make some heading or subheading to highlight, so we use this U option. And every option has some shortcuts. So when you put your cursor there, so you will get those shortcuts automatic. So I am not going to explain our shortcuts, because you can get easily those shortcuts. And next comes about font name. If I want different font, which is my favorite, this one, Times New Roman. Okay, I got this. Another is text size. There are several types, several ways to text increase and text font size increase and font size decrease. First way is select the text, then click on this arrow, and here are till 72. Okay, I am taking 42, 48. This is one. Another way is for example, here are some size are not mentioned here, like 13, 15, 17, 19. These are not. If I want this 19, then put your cursor here. When the text is highlighted, or if your text that is not highlighted, then by backspace key you can remove that 48 and type which font size you want. If I want 19, I wrote 19, then enter. Now its size became 19. Another way is here grow font and shrink font. If I grow font, click on grow font, it will become larger and bigger. Okay, so what I applied center, and I will do it bold, then underline, and I changed the name, font name. And for underline, you can see now this is simple line. Now if I want lining another design of line, or I want this line should be different color, then select the sentence and click near you will see one arrow, down arrow, click here. After come whatever design you want, take that design, and if you want to change color, so underline color, and take any color whatever you want, you will get that. Next comes this. Actually this is to draw line between your letters. Sometimes like as you remember, when anything is, if we are making notes in our notebook, we are writing, and anything is wrong there, then what we do, we just cut that text, we put one line by our pen, one line middle of sentence, middle of letter. So same thing we do this. For example, this formatting is not good here, or formatting is wrong here, so I will click here ABC. Now this, see, there is lining between the letter. Another is superscript and subscript. These options we use in texts, or sometimes you can see like in newspaper there is written TM or something else, or like fourth, if I want to write fourth or fifth, and TH should be in on subscript or superscript, then click on superscript, it will be go up. And if you want this normal to make it normal, then click again this option, it will become normal. And our next is effects. If effect it comes like, sometimes it is 3D effects, or sometimes different effects. I will center it, then click here. This we take to make headings, or some designs, to make some designs. Basically we use this on our presentations in PowerPoint. So if which one you want, take that one. Okay, I took this. Then there is a reflection, shadows also here. Another is outline color here. If I want different, see now this outline is red, and if I change here from red to yellow, see now I got yellow. Now our next option is this highlight. Sometimes when we read books, or we read newspaper, and some word is very important, or some any words we don't know the meaning, so that time, at the reading time, we highlight that by highlighter. So same thing this works. First select this, for example, I want this document should be highlighted, then I will select this, then click here. Here are different types of highlighting, which color you mostly for highlighting we use yellow, so that's why here is also yellow. See now this is highlighted. About paragraph and styles. So see you in next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.